Welcome to the Stone Devil Studio virtual tour. We're standing in the inside section, which has a few indoor art pieces, and we're going to take a trip to the outside where you're going to see the actual work area and some of the outdoor pieces that we have available. So let's go. Well, that's a lot better. So you've seen the dirt, you've seen the dust, seen the water, you've seen the noise. And I hope you've been impressed by some of the work that we have to do to get some of this heavy stone into the nice fine art shapes that I'd like to sell you. So please feel free to check in with our website and look around a little bit. I've got plenty of new videos showing different parts of the process, and we actually have an outdoor studio that you can do physical distancing in, and you can see some of the actual pieces that are available for sale. Bye for now.